You can say whatever you need, because my squad is, because my squad is still gaining speed.
Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. It's your boy LJ Kickzz back with another video. I just got off work. My day doesn't end. You know, I mean, after doing 8 hours at a job, it doesn't end. Gotta go meet up with this guy that I met on Messenger. He was selling these Jordan 4s. He wanted 160. I think we both agreed on 120. He has box, they're used. So yeah, I'm gonna go pick those up. Brand new. The sneakers are going for like, I think like $400, $500, $500, and then used is going for like close to $300 some dollars, something like that. But I just think that it's a good investment. Like 120 for a sneaker that's going for close to $300 used. It is late. It's like 9:11 p.m. where I'm at, and on the East Coast in Pennsylvania. But you'll be able to hear and possibly be able to see the sneakers, but more likely it might be dark or whatever. So I'm going to recap anyways. That way y'all can be able to see the sneakers and the condition it's in and everything else. So stay tuned to that, and let's go ahead and see what this guy's talking about. Where you get them from?
I got them from actually a store.
What store was that? Oh, shit. You said Bullseye.
Yeah, this is a sticker right here. You can see it right there. And my DS for $450.
Huh?
They had them at DS for $450.
Oh, this is why you bought them for $450?
Yeah, I got them brand new. I didn't get them used. I wore them for a little bit, and I got the UNCs, the UNC 4s.
Oh my God.
You have a YouTube channel?
Yeah, LJ Kickzz. I just started my YouTube channel.
You be buying and selling shoes?
Yeah, I got Instagram too. You got Instagram?
Yeah, I got Instagram. You be reselling a lot?
Yeah.
You restore or no?
Yeah, I restore too. Yeah, I have a guy, he restores, he helps me out and stuff like that. I pay somebody to help me restore and stuff again. So.
Classic.
Yeah, these are.
I was trying to restore, but I just couldn't do it.
Yeah, what you did was you scraped the paint off. Huh? You can't do 100 though, like for these right here, because like right there is like really crazy.
You can't do 120.
I would have did 120 as the pictures looked good, but you know what I mean. Like that's what I was looking at. Like I don't think you could really see in the camera though, but kind of like it's kind of, you know what I mean, like
yeah, I know.
It's just the marking. I would have did 120, but like I said, like that's what I was really looking at. Like
you can't meet in the middle at 110.
Yeah. I could do 110. I could do 110. I could do 110. Like you said, 110. That's fine.
Yeah, that's good. You can do that. That's good.
Yeah, that's cool. 20, 40, 60, 80, 100, 110.
Appreciate you.
Yeah, I got it, man. Thank you. Yeah, you too. I just wanted to do a recap on the sneaker meetup, so that way y'all guys could really see the sneaker. Here's what the sneakers look like. This is the box here. Let me see the box. The box here. You see what the box look like. If I wasn't recording, I think I could have do lower than 110, because what I noticed about this sneaker, if you press on the side, if you can see it, hold on, let me push on the side. Like, see how I press on the side here? I would have been a lot lower on this sneaker here, but since I was recording, I didn't even notice that. But I could just throw some glue on there. I mean, see that? See? Let me see this angle here. Look. See how that is? See? I've probably been at like $70, $80 on these. I don't mind the wear and tear, but obviously, you know what I mean, just that. And then as you guys see, like the paint along the side here is like messed up here. See that? For a sneaker that's going like close to like 300 some dollars used, you know what I mean, it's not a bad investment, but I think I could have been a little lower, like at least like 80, 70, 80 dollars, somewhere around there. But 110 to make at least like $80 or something off of them, it's not bad, but just gotta do a little bit of work on them. Yeah, guys, that's about it. Like always, thank you for taking your time out and tuning in with your boy. And I'm gonna try to do these sneaker meetups often. If I had a camera guy, I probably would have got a little lower on the price. I seen the those defects, but I didn't really like notice the one where the sole separation is on the side. I didn't really notice that. So if I had a camera guy, maybe I would have definitely noticed that and probably could have got the price lower. I could have really probably got these for like probably like $70. I probably could have got these for, but 110, I mean, it's not a bad investment on a pair of Jordan 4s, size 10.5, and this basically going for like $300 to $400 used. So I mean, it's still a profit. So you know what I mean, I'll see what I can get off of them. Even if I could get my money back plus like $20, $30 on top, I'm cool with that. But anyways, guys, thanks for taking y'all time out. Like always, tuning in, you know what I mean, because y'all could be doing anything else right now. I really appreciate it. And yeah, y'all guys have a great day, and I'll holler at y'all in the next video.
I'm a man, I'ma do what I want. Live how I wanna live. I'm gonna live how I wanna live.